Let's face it, most of us have a difficulty in getting sound, good night sleep at one point or the other. So if you're the one who has been burning the midnight oil lamp, this is the video for you, because in this video I'm not just going to tell you that how a good sleep is of great utmost importance in the first step of your self-care, and also a quick yoga sequence that can help you not just get a good night's sleep but also fight any kind of sleep disorders if you've been encountering any. Hello people, welcome to my channel. This is me, Garima Bhandari, and in today's sequence I'm going to throw light on few spinal twists which are supine. You can do them lying down on your bed, and also later on some lying down inversions which actually help you reverse the blood flow, which aids in getting you very good night's sleep. So let's get started. Put on something comfy, something light like this, and jump into your bed. These are all very passive restorative poses, so make sure that you practice them with ease. There is no forcing or there is no pushing and pulling your body. Just be natural, stay in the postures for as long as you like. And we're going to start the posture. So we're going to start the child pose or the balasana by first coming in the Vajrasana. So I'm seated in the Vajrasana where my hip bones, the sit bones are placed on my heels, and then from here my spine is absolutely straight, my navel is tucked towards my spine, and with an inhale I melt down towards the front of my body and relaxing here for a few breaths. Slowly walking back from your hands when you feel like, and come back to your start position. Balasana, as I said, is a very meditative, therapeutic and a restorative posture. Immediately when you bend, you feel a fresh influx of blood coming towards your face, towards your brain, which instantly calms the entire brain. And not just that, even if you're feeling stressed throughout the day, you have anxiety disorders, and you have any kind of emotional stress that is engulfing you, you tend to forget everything that is happening around you and come to your present. So Balasana should be practiced every day definitely to promote and induce sound sleep. Moving on from here, we'll do another seated posture, which is the seated spinal twist. I'm seated in Dandasana, or the staff pose, which is the fundamental seated beginner posture to enter into any of the seated postures, where my toes are flexed towards my body and both my thighs are touching each other, knee joints are touching each other, both my sit bones are placed equidistant, my back is absolutely straight and my shoulders are relaxed and my arms are next to my body. And then from here I fold one of my leg from the knee joint and place the heel close to the thigh, as close to the thigh and to the groin as close possible, flexing the left toe so that the left leg is also activated, and then from here lifting and lengthening my spine and placing my right hand towards the back, fixing my vision towards the back, over and above my right shoulder, and then dropping, internally rotating my shoulder joint of the left hand, left arm, and dropping it with the elbows and just looking back. Activation in my spine, entire spinal column, vertebra column opening up. If I breathe here, if I combine this twist, active twist with breathing, I'm sending the oxygen to each and every vertebra column. And doing the same thing on the other side. And then from here, placing the left foot on the mat like this, holding the left knee, and this time looking over my left shoulder joint, and right hand lifts and just place it on the left knee, elbow and knees creating a resistance which activates the spinal column, and breathing here. And returning back to the staff pose or the Dandasana. And now from here, my body is kind of opened up, my brain is kind of rejuvenated. So I'm going to practice some lying down postures. So let's see how we do it. From Dandasana, I'm going to lie down on my back or on my mat, whichever I feel comfortable in. And then from here, I'm going to practice the Pavan Mukta Asana. So what you do is, you bring both your knees closer to your chest like this and point out your toes. It's okay if you're a beginner, if you're able to place your knees till here or wherever your range of motion allows, but slowly try to bring them as close to your chest as possible like this, and give yourself a tight, warm hug. At the end of the day, when you're tired, when you're exhausted from your office, from your kids, from your family, from all your commitments, towards the end of the day, all you need is to give yourself a much deserving, tight, warm hug. And Pavan Mukta Asana has many amazing benefits. It really stimulates your digestive glands. It creates a digestive Agni inside you. It's an excellent posture to relieve the pain from your lower back, which you encounter by sitting throughout the day in office, or the pain or discomfort in your legs if you have. I have seen myself that whenever I come to my bed, every day I lie down in this posture for at least 5 minutes, and this really helps me get good sleep. And then bring your head towards the knees. Stay here for a few breaths. And gently let go. Take a moment to take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, and let's do the lying down spinal twist. This time open and extend your arms on either side of the bed, and folding your knees this way, drop both the knees on the right side of your body while looking and fixing your vision towards the left hand. Look above the left shoulder, activation in your entire spinal column, activation in your quads, a great opening on the entire left side of your body, like this. Look on the opposite side, stay here for a few breaths, and this time drop both the knees on the left side while looking towards the right side. And gently let go. There's one more posture that you can practice before you go off to final sleep, is leg above the wall. So you lie down like this. I can't show you right now because I don't have a wall like this, but next time I'm going to show you the Vipreet Karni or the leg on the wall posture in a separate video. But all you have to do is just lie down like this and place your legs on the wall. So after the Vipreet Karni or the leg on the wall posture, simply melt on your bed in an upward position like this, relaxing the entire body, throwing the arms neutral towards the sky, palms facing towards the sky, fingers folded, legs dropped naturally, and closing your eyes and staying for a few breaths with a lot of feeling of gratitude towards everybody you met today. And I should wake up to come back to the center. Believe me, you guys, this was such an invigorating practice. I really feel that, I'm done for the day because I have also been shooting throughout the day, and this is, you could say, the last leg of the day. But this particular video, I'm glad I chose to do it towards the end because it is really opened up my entire heart chakra, my Ajna chakra, and I really feel the great influx of energy flowing throughout all my body and my mind. So this was my bedtime yoga routine, and I'm gonna make more such amazing yoga videos for you guys. It is all basis your request that I get to know that what are the kind of videos you would like to watch. And to watch more such videos with me, Garima Bhandari, subscribe to my channel today on YouTube. Please share it with your family and friends, and like my page on Facebook. Follow me for more updates and more behind the scenes on Instagram. It's called Garima Bhandari Official. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay rocking. Namaste.